My life revolves around my family and my job.
Say bye-bye, Dad. See you soon.
I pack up my gear and I set forth for the wild to capture beautiful imagery in the world's most stunning places. When I prepare for a shoot, my focus is sharp. Every trip requires the right gear, like the new MINI Countryman. And now, you can come along for the ride. Enter the MINI Countryman Adventure Sweepstakes for your chance to win a weekend photography adventure with me. We'll stay in Montana at the Lone Mountain Ranch, a National Geographic unique lodge of the world. Drive around in the all-new MINI Countryman, shoot some of America's most spectacular scenery. We'll have an incredible experience capturing great shots. Enter today at nationalgeographic.com/countryman.